Good morning, students. Welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, in the previous class, we have completed the poem When I Grow Up. Today, I am summing up the theme of the poem and also we will do some activities. Students, I have started this poem with a question to you, that when you grow up, what do you want to become in future? Whether you want to choose a profession that is chosen by your parents, your well-wishers, or you want to choose a profession or a job that really interests you. And also I have asked you the question that whether you want to stick to a particular profession or you want to try various professions in your life. Students, as we have seen, the poet do not want to stick to a particular profession and he want to try various professions in his life. We have seen that first the poet expresses his earnest desire to become a detective and to possess a master key with which he can open several locks. Then the poet accepts some challenging professions like the profession of a soldier, the profession of a sailor, and when the poet tells that he wants to become a zookeeper in the Nandankanan Zoo, which is located in our state capital, then we see that the poet is a great lover of animals. And also we have seen that the poet tells that he wants to own a trumpet. Trumpet is a brass wind musical instrument and he wants to play a musical tune of his own. And also he wants to own a private spaceship and want to go to the moon in his own private spaceship. So students, you see that always the poet wants to accept the challenging jobs, like when the poet tells that he wants to become a driver of an express diesel train, and also he wants to become a lighthouse keeper who can show the light to the lost ships. Generally a lighthouse guides the ships. So we have seen that the poet do not want to stick to a particular profession, but he want to try various professions in his life. And in the last stanza of the poem, we have seen that the poet reveals the secret. Why he want to try various professions in his life, why he don't want to contend with a particular profession, and why he want to try different professions in his life. In the last stanza, the poet reveals the more one lives, the more one learns. Means whenever a person never remain contented in a particular profession and tries various professions, different professions provide opportunity to a person to learn different things. So the poet tells that during his lifespan, he will try various professions in his life because every profession provides him the opportunity to learn something in his life. Students, in class 6 Odia book or a Sahitya book, you must have studied a chapter. As you are studying in class 7, you must have studied a chapter written by Professor Golak Bihari Dhara. The name of the chapter is Kon Sikhiva, or what we should learn. And this chapter has been taken from his book America Experience. And in this chapter, the author, Professor Golak Bihari Dhara, reveals when he has gone to America for higher studies, there he saw a retired engineer called Mr. Baker, who at the age of 70 working very hard to make a building of his own. And when the professor asked the question that you are so wealthy person and why you are working so hard, then the professor tells to the author that the main theme of the American society is work. I am working at the age of 70 because the work provides me pleasure. And this is the main theme of the American society. This is the main theme of the American society because the people of America believes in the dignity of labor. Dignity of labor. So, whenever the author tells that he wants to try various professions in his life, so every work is worship. Every work is a offering to the Almighty God. So, we must give respect to all types of works, and every work provides us the opportunity to learn something from this, because as we have discussed, the best way of learning something is by doing this. So, for this reason, the poet wants to accept various professions in his life, so that he can learn something from this. So, students, today we have summed up some of the theme of the poem, When I Grow Up. So, now let us have some activities. So, students, as we have seen, the poet do not want to stick to a particular profession. He wants to try various professions in his life. So, here in the vocabulary skill, students, here in the vocabulary skill, you see, in the vocabulary skill, we have mentioned various jobs and professions. Various jobs or professions we have mentioned here in the vocabulary skill. So, let us discuss that what are the different jobs or professions as has been mentioned here in the vocabulary skill. So, here we have mentioned teacher. First, teacher. A teacher is a person who teaches students. Then farmer. A farmer is a person who cultivates in a farm. Then doctor. A doctor is a person who treats patients. Then seller. A seller is a person who sells sheep in a sea or river. A zookeeper. A zookeeper is a person who takes care of animals in a zoo. Tailor. A tailor is a person who stitches our clothes. Then pilot. Pilot is a person who flies an aeroplane. Driver. Driver is a person who drives a car, bus, truck, etc. Then football player. A football player is a person who plays football. Then the last one is astronaut or a cosmonaut. Students, as I have told you, astronaut or cosmonauts are persons who serve as a crew member for a spacecraft, or astronaut or cosmonauts are the persons who serve as a crew member in a spacecraft. I have told you. So, now I have already told you what is the difference between an astronaut and a cosmonaut. I have told you astronaut means those persons who are qualified and trained by NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, or Canadian Space Agency, or ESA, European Space Agency. They are called the astronauts. Okay, those persons who are trained and qualified to serve as a crew member by these international space research organizations like NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration of USA, JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, CSA, Canadian Space Agency, and ESA, European Space Agency, are called the astronaut. And cosmonauts are persons who are qualified and trained by Russia. Who are qualified and trained by Russia are called the cosmonauts. Okay, so the previous name of Russia is, you know, USSR, Union of Soviet Socialistic Republic. So those who are trained by Russia are called the cosmonauts, and those who are trained by these organizations are called the astronauts. You must have known about Kalpana Chawla and Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma was a cosmonaut, whereas Kalpana Chawla was an astronaut. So this is the difference between an astronaut and a cosmonaut. Students, we have discussed about some international space organizations. Students, you must have listened about ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. You know, Professor Vikram Sarabhai is called the father of Indian space program. So, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, headquartered at Bangalore of the Karnataka. Okay, and it has made a tremendous progress in the space science and space research, and its headquarters is located in the Bangalore of the Karnataka. So, it is Indian Space Research Organization. So, these are the various professions that we have discussed in the vocabulary skill. So, students, now let us go to the language skill. So, in the language skill, you will see the uses of a more. Students, in the last stanza of the poem, you have seen the poet writes in the last stanza of the poem, the more one lives, the more one lives, the more one learns. The more one learns. That means, whenever we are living the life of different persons, whenever we are choosing the profession of different persons, it is providing us the opportunity to learn more things. So, where we use the more, whenever we have a growing tendency towards something, then we use more. So, let us see how we are using these words how we are writing the sentences by using more. So, here we have mentioned read, learn. That means, the more one reads, the more one reads, the more one learns. So, here we have written the more one reads, the more one reads, the more one learns. So, the more one reads, the more one learns. Then the next one is save, become rich. Save, become rich. Students, the more one saves, the more one saves, the more one becomes rich. The more one becomes rich. Then the third one is do exercises, become healthy. So, we may write this, the more one does exercises, the more one becomes healthy. The more one does exercises, the more one becomes healthy. The more one becomes healthy. Students, last one is get. The more one gets, the more he wants. The more one gets, the more he wants. So, students, today we have completed the poem When I Grow Up. Thank you. Have a nice day.